I'm going to talk about something I've seen from almost every online paying websites. I'm sure you've probably heard of the Captcha typing jobs. By doing this jobs, you'll earn money. For 1,000 captchas, you can earn around 50 cents to $2. There are lots of places available that will allow you to work as a Captcha solver. All you need to do is choose the best Captcha job sites to work as a Captcha solver. So in today's video I'm going to share with you the best, highly rated and well-reviewed Captcha typing job site on Trustpilot. If you want to know the name of this site, how it works and how do you get paid, make sure to watch this video till the end. What's up guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. What is Captcha? Simply, a Captcha is a type of challenge response test used in computing to determine whether the user is human or not. Captchas provide challenges that are very difficult to solve for computer programs. However, a human can easily solve Captchas. There are many types of Captchas available such as stretched letters, numbers, pictures, etc. If you are looking for something that will earn you some extra pocket money on the side while using your mobile phone or a laptop, then this site is really promising. They will pay you to solve different types of Captchas. But before we continue with our today's topic, much appreciate if you will like this video now. And if it's your first time visiting my channel, please consider subscribing because I'm uploading videos where I will teach you how to make some extra money online for free. Without any waste of time, let's jump into our today's topic. As I mentioned before, this site is well reviewed and highly rated, so the website I'm showing you today is one you might heard about before. It's called 2Captcha. What is 2Captcha? 2Captcha.com website was found in 2014, so it's been around for a few years now. When you head over to their website, you'll see that they're a platform that pays you for solving or answering Captchas. You're probably already familiar with solving Captchas. It's those blurry texts or picture puzzles that you need to solve before being granted access to a certain site. The work at 2Captcha will require you to solve or answer Captchas. You will then be rewarded for your work. How do I get started with 2Captcha? You can get started by clicking the link in the description box below. All you have to do is fill in their sign-up form, then click the verification link in the email they will send to you. Once you've done that, you can log into their user dashboard. But before you can really earn from this site, you have to go through their training program. Unfortunately, you won't get rewarded for finishing the training program. But it is necessary to finish if you ever hope to solve Captchas from this website. This is how the 2Captcha dashboard board looks like. Note that, when you become a user of this site, if you make a lot of mistakes when solving Captchas, then your account will be blocked for a few hours. It can be unblocked, but it usually takes up to 2 working days. So, make sure to solve Captchas carefully. How can you earn with 2Captcha? As a 2Captcha worker, there are a couple of different methods you can use to earn cash. There are different types of Captchas available for you to attempt to solve. Answer: normal, basic Captchas, big Captchas, reCAPTCHA v2 tokens, and reCAPTCHA v2 images are all available to solve or answer. While each of these types of Captchas allows you to earn different amounts of rewards, they also differ in difficulty. Logically, the more difficult the Captcha activity is, the more you will be rewarded or paid for it. What are 2Captcha earning rates? The big question for 2Captcha is just how much you can earn with the platform. For the normal, basic Captchas, you can earn anywhere from 25 cents and 60 cents for every 1,000 Captchas you solve or answer. These are the simple and easy Captchas where you see the distorted text on an image and type out what letters or numbers you see. For the little Captcha puzzles that ask for you to tick a box that says, "I'm not a robot," sometimes it asks you to confirm further that you're a human being by answering an image puzzle question. This is an easy identification image puzzle, such as marking all images with a car in them. For these, "I'm not a robot" image puzzles, otherwise known as reCAPTCHA v2 image puzzles, 2Captcha pays $1 to $2 for every 1,000 solved or answer. It's probably good to note here that you are required to download software for 2Captcha when solving these particular types of image puzzles. Near each Captcha puzzle you try to solve, it will show the rate you will earn for that specific puzzle. You can also use that as a basis to average how much you would be paid out for a certain amount of effort or time spent working. Depending on how quick you can complete Captchas, you can finish 1,000 in a little under 3 hours. This requires solving at least 6 captchas per minute. You'd be earning $1 to $2 an hour at the max for the actual work at 2 captcha. This may not sound like a lot of money if you are in Europe, but it can be a decent amount of money depending on where you live. Referral program: you can also earn through every friend you invite to the website that signs up with your referral code. If you can convince your friends, family members, and even various strangers to join using your code, you can earn 10% of everything they earn. If you get a small group to solve captchas for you, you can earn without having to solve thousands of captchas a day yourself. Just earn passively. How do you get paid? 2 captcha has a low payout threshold of just 50 cents and it pays instantly into various online wallets. You can make a payout request once you reach the minimum threshold for withdrawing your earnings, which will depend on the payment method you choose. At this time of these video there are no option to bank transfer or PayPal. Remember, you can use the link in the description below to join this website. I hope this video has been helpful, and if you have any comments, questions, or have any experiences with 2 captcha yourself, I would love to hear from you in a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button in order to be notified whenever I upload a new video based on this. Once again, thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.